Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with playing schedule 1. You got an error, failed to load steamoverlay.dll, error code 126. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There are two simple ways to fix out this issue. First one is you need to open up your Windows security. From the left pane, click on the option protection history. Now in the protection history, by the date, you can verify the recent date when your game started to giving you error code 126. By checking the date, you need to expand that particular file, and right over here under the app or process block, you will find the file name steamoverlay.dll. Once you find the file, click on this action tab and choose the option allow on device. This will resolve your issue, and to make it permanent so that this file will not blocked again, click on the virus and threat protection and then click on the option manage settings under virus and threat protection. Scroll down and then click on the option add or remove exclusion. Now you need to add the folder of the game. Click on the option add an exclusion and choose the option folder. Now you need to browse the directory of the game. In my system, the game is installed in F drive, and over here is schedule 1. Simply click on the option select folder and the folder will be added right over here. Once it is added, you are ready to launch the game. Now if this failed to work out, that means the file is not in your protection history. Then in next step, again, first of all, launch Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection. Under Manage Settings, go ahead and turn off Real-Time Protection. After turning off Real-Time Protection, you need to open a downloaded zip file. At my system, I have downloaded the game right over here in my G drive. I'll open the zip folder. Under the Schedule 1, here there are a lot of DLL files. So the file which is missing is steamoverlay64.dll. So what you need to do is to simply right click and choose option copy, and then paste the file directly into the game directory which is in F drive, and here is schedule 1. Right click and choose option paste. If it is asking you to replace the file, simply replace the file. Once done, close it. Now relaunch your game, and this will completely fix out the issue of error code 126 while launching the game schedule 1. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.